Ever peek behind the curtain? Your quiet houseplants lead surprisingly busy secret lives when you turn your back. First, sunlight. See these leaves? They're tiny solar panels diligently converting light into tasty plant food. Down below, hidden roots explore the soil, riching, searching, thirstily drinking every drop of water. Witness the magic of growth. A new leaf unfurls, slowly stretching like a tiny green banner announcing its arrival. Did you know plants whisper secrets? They release invisible scents, tidal messages floating on the air. They're also slow dancers, gracefully leaning and turning their leaves to catch the best rays of sunshine. Even when darkness falls, the work isn't done. They quietly breathe and process, getting ready for a new day. And they protect themselves. Some have pointy defenses, others taste bitter, warning pesky critters away. Sometimes they even team up with helpful microbes underground, a hidden partnership for mutual benefit. So tend to your leafy friends. They fill our homes not just with green, but with quiet resilience and intricate hidden life.